do not ring the doorbell. So UPS did ring the doorbell because I had to sign for it, but let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about decluttering, and I'm going to give you 4 different decluttering styles you can implement into your home today. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. So because we're all so different, there's no way one decluttering style will work for everyone. So with that said, the first decluttering style is sections. So basically what you do is you declutter section by section or category by category. And once you complete one section, you are done and you can move on to the next section. This style is ideal for people who get overwhelmed when it comes to clutter. And when you work in sections, when you finish that section, you at least feel accomplished because it's done. And then you have the choice to move on to the next section or to stop for the day. This is probably my favorite decluttering style because it's a lot easier to grasp when it comes to decluttering compared to the others. Plus, this is kind of the one that I usually follow in my clients' homes, because I like them to come in and kind of be a part of the process. And a lot of times this process works the best for them. So the next decluttering style is all alike. So what you're basically doing is you are combining like items with like items, and you're decluttering only those items. So for example, if you want to declutter your pens, you can get all the pens you have in your home, in your office, and go through them. This goes the same with paper, with clothes, with shoes. This just makes it a lot easier to grasp when it comes to decluttering, because the simplicity in combining like with like items and then decluttering makes the process of moving towards another like item a lot easier than it would be if you're decluttering the entire space. This decluttering style is ideal for people who don't have a lot of time, who are busy, and just want to at least start the process. I like this item for people who are beginners when it comes to organizing, because it's a lot easier to grasp the idea of combining like items and decluttering, again, than it is to declutter the entire space, because that can be very overwhelming. So the third decluttering style is pile it up. So basically what you do is you bring all of the items in that room into one large pile, literally everything. So for example, if you're working in a closet, you literally take down everything in that closet and you put it in one pile, and you go through that pile and start the decluttering process. Once you go through the entire pile, you of course remove the items that you will be keeping in that space, and then get rid of the items you will be taking out. Then once you get to the organizing phase, it's a lot easier to just organize those items that are staying in that room. This decluttering style is ideal for individuals who aren't really overwhelmed when it comes to seeing clutter. Rather, they want to get the process done because they'd rather focus on other things in their life. So if you're someone like that, I would definitely suggest you try this decluttering style. So the fourth decluttering style is the to-do list. So basically what you do is you write down what you want to declutter, how you want to declutter it, and then you actually do it. And you check off each box once it's completed. This is ideal for individuals who love creating to-do lists, who love creating a plan, and who don't necessarily always complete said plan. Whenever you're creating a to-do list, make sure that to-do list is simple to follow. A lot of times, some of us create these extensive to-do lists and we hardly ever get anything done on it. So I would say make sure that to-do list is at least 5 to 6 points, because once you finish the to-do list, then it's a lot easier to feel more accomplished than it is if you had 20 to 25. An easy way to determine what decluttering style works for you is to block off time and see which style gets the job done within the time allotted. Wow. So for example, if you were to block off 30 minutes to decluttering and you used each decluttering style, the decluttering style that fits within that 30 minutes is the one that I would suggest that you follow. Because what that means is you're more efficient with that decluttering style because you were able to do it within the 30 minutes. Of course, 30 minutes is not enough time in my opinion, but it at least shows you how long it takes for you to do each decluttering style. And if you finish within the time allotted, then that's the more efficient decluttering style for you. And of course, if you go way over, then maybe that decluttering style isn't for you. And another way to determine whether that decluttering style works for you is to see which one you enjoy. You know, you may be someone who actually loves creating this large pile and going through it, or you're someone who likes to work in sections. At the end of the day, it's all about the actions you put towards decluttering. Actions is important, which will get this phase of organizing done. So there is no right or wrong decluttering style. It's all about what works for you, what works for your lifestyle, what works for your busy schedule. But once you get it done, the organizing phase will move smoothly, which is very important in my book. All right, so let me know in the comment section below, which is your favorite decluttering style, which decluttering style you're already using, and which one would you try? Let me know in the comment section below. You already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.